Hi, I'm Shannon Loy, CEO of The Social Ginger and your social media maven.
And I'm Kim of Kim Brundage Photography, your personal brand strategist.
We've teamed up to offer you a powerhouse workshop dedicated to your social media strategy. Woo! We know you have a lot of questions about how to create and use videos for social media.
Should I make a video of myself or wine?
With a bazillion posts each day, why would anyone care what I have to say?
Should I do my video horizontal or vertical?
We just took this video. Does anyone know how to edit this thing?
At our workshop, you will learn start to finish how to capture, edit, and post your videos to social media.
Did you know the quality of your brand attracts the quality of your client? One of the ways to improve the quality of your brand is with great images, such as
incorporate great lighting.
Use a clean background. It's just less complicated.
So where should I stand?
Mary, right here.
Okay.
All good. Our goal is to have you leave our workshop re-energized and ready to take your social media marketing to a whole new level.
Think of our workshop as your 911 rescue to your social media marketing plan.